Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. If you are looking for a delicious and easy chicken recipe that's sure to please a crowd, you are in the right place. Today we will be cooking up some sweet and tangy chicken breasts that are sure to become a family favorite. The key ingredient in this recipe is ketchup, which adds a unique blend of sweetness and tanginess to the chicken. Not only is this recipe simple to make, but it also requires just a handful of ingredients that you likely already have on hand. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So with this recipe, we are using 3 chicken breasts. First things first, we're gonna make shallow cuts in the surface of the chicken in a crisscross pattern to help the chicken cook more evenly and to create a decorative pattern on the surface. Once all that is done, this is how it looks, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and season the chicken breast with salt and black pepper on both sides. Oops, it just ripped. Maybe I went too deep. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil of your preference. Once the skillet and oil are hot, carefully add the crisscross chicken breast to the skillet and let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Now the chicken breast has been cooking for 3 minutes. The next step we are going to do is to flip them and cook them for 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add rosemary. It's gonna add flavor, aroma. It also complements other flavors. Next, we are going to add in diced shallots. Now we're gonna go ahead and add minced garlic. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally until the shallots are softened. After 1 minute, we're gonna flip the chicken again. Next, we're gonna add ketchup. Then continue to stir around until it's all mixed up with other ingredients. Next, we're gonna reduce the heat to medium and add chicken broth. Stir to combine and bring the mixture to a simmer. Keep in mind, guys, by simmering the chicken breast in the sauce will allow the flavors to melt together and make the chicken breast more tender and flavorful. Add soy sauce, then continue to stir around. Then we're gonna cover with a lid and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce has thickened. All in all, it took about 9 minutes, guys. Normally, I like my chicken to be moist. It's done. We're gonna go in with parsley. It smells amazing in here. Garnish with parsley and The sweet and tangy chicken breasts are ready to be served. Now I'm gonna grab a plate. This is the moment of the truth, guys. I can't wait. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.